Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video, guys, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, yes, guys, you heard that right. Today, in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic, cool product page by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, yes, guys, you heard that right. Today, in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic, cool, and state-of-the-art product page by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features and all the functionalities of the example to you so that we will get to know that today what we're going to learn and today what we're going to create in this video, in this tutorial in JavaScript with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, and here we can see the heading also, build a dynamic product page using JavaScript. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how we can build this kind of dynamic, cool, and state-of-the-art product page by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, and below we can see here another text, search products by its name and by its brand name. Okay, yes guys, we can search the products by its name or by its brand name as well. Okay, and here below we can see here the search input field. Okay, so through this search input field we can search the products by its name or by its brand name. Okay, and below we can see here some of the products as well. Okay, so as of now I have just shown here the 12 products. Okay guys, you are free to show the number of products as per your need, as per your requirements. Okay, but for this demo, for this example, I have just shown here only 12 products. Okay, and here we can see here on each and every product card. Okay, so guys, we can see here on each and every product cards. Okay, I have shown here the product image, product name, product brand name, the rating of the product, and the price of the product, and a button called add to cart. Okay, so here also I have shown here the product image, product name, product brand, product ratings, and the product price. And here we can see here one button also called add to cart. Okay, so guys, likewise for all the products card. Okay, you can see here likewise for all the products card I have shown here the product image or product pic. We can say the product name, the brand name of the product, the ratings of the product, and price of the product, and a button to add to the cart. Okay, but I have not implemented here, I have not given here the feature to add to cart. I will give the feature, this feature add to cart in the next video, in the next tutorial. Okay, but as of now we can just search the products by its name or by its brand name, and we can display the product by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, this page is, guys, this product page is fully dynamic and fully functional. Okay, we can search the products by its name or by its brand name. So I'm going to search the product by the name first. Okay, so I'll just search here mouse. Okay, so you can see here with the search string mouse, we have got here only one product. Okay, which is gaming mouse. Okay, and here is the brand name Logitech, and here is the ratings 4.6, and here is the price 899, and we can see here button also add to cart. Okay, so I'm going to search the product now by the brand name. So I'll just search here Puma. Okay, search here Puma. You can see here with this search with the brand name Puma, we've got here only one product, which is men's casual t-shirt. Okay, so here is the brand name Puma, and here is the rating 4.1, here is the price of the product, and here is the button to add to cart. Okay, and you can see here this is the search input field. Okay, so we can just clear the search string. We can just clear the search by using this icon, this cross icon also. So we will be able to see the entire product. Okay, so I'm going to clear this search input field by using this cross icon. So click it now to clear this search. So you can see here by default you will be able to see everything, every products. Okay, so I'm going to search here the watch now. So let's just see here watch. So here is the search string, here is the search term watch, and through this search term watch we can see here only one product, which is smartwatch, and here is the brand name boat, and here is the like products product rating 4.2, and here is the price, and here's the button to add to cart to this product. Okay, so let me just search here the brand name boat. Okay, so through this brand name board we can see here only one product, which is smartwatch. Okay, so let me just search here with the brand name Nike. So here is the brand name Nike, and through this search string brand name Nike we have got here only one product, which is running shoes. Okay, so here is the brand name Nike, and here is the product rating 4.4, and here is the product price, and here is the button to add to cart to this product. Okay, okay, so let me just search here. I'll just search here brand name Samsung. So Samsung. So through this brand name we got here only one product, which is external SSD 1 TB, and the brand name is Samsung, and here's the product rating 4.4, I mean 4.3, and here's the product price, and here's the button to add to the cart. Okay, so let me just search here the I'll just search here Sony, the brand name Sony. So here is the brand name Sony, and using this brand name Sony we have got here only one product, which is wireless Bluetooth headphones, and here is the brand name Sony, and here is the product ratings. Okay, 4.5, and here is the product price, and here is the button to add to cart. Okay, so guys, this is the feature, this is the functionality. We can search the product by its name or by its brand name as well. Okay, and here each and everything is dynamic, fully dynamic, and I have just created this product page using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, I hope you are now excited, you are now thrilled to learn to build this application on your own after watching this video, after watching this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this brand new product page by using just vanilla JavaScript, where we will also integrate this search feature where user can search the product by its name or by its brand name as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and please guys do press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified. And please guys, okay, do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. And please guys, okay, don't forget to like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development as well. Okay, so guys, you have to do here 4 things for me. First of all, you have to subscribe now my the channel Code with ER. Second, you have to press the bell icon also, and third, you have to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. And fourth, you have to like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's build this, and now let's code. Okay, so I'm going to use here the Sublime Text. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so let me just create here the new file first. I'll just say here product page, products page in js.html. So save the file inside the coding folder, which is on the desktop. So click save. So let me just create here the HTML very quickly. So HTML, I just say here code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, let me just go to the example just to copy the bootstrap CDN link. Okay, so let me just come here, let me just copy this CDN link from here, and let me just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. So guys, okay, let me just create here one div also. So let's just create here one div, give the class as a container, give margin top 4, margin bottom also, say here 5, not 4. Okay, so let's just close this div now. So let me just go to the example just to copy the string from there only. It will save a little bit of time as well. So this is just a simple string. So let's just copy this from here and let's just paste it here. This is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just create here. Okay, so right click here, choose the option open in browser. So here we can see the heading build a dynamic product page using JavaScript, search products by its name or by its branch name. Okay, so I'm going to create here this search input field from where user can search the products by its name or by its brand name. Okay, so I'm going to create this input field very quickly. So let's just come to the code now, and I'm going to create here one div, and let's just say here what can I say, input group. Okay, and let's just close this. So I will just give here the level as well, or I don't provide level inside this. Okay, don't provide level, so I'll just see here input. I'll give the type as a search. Okay, and I'll give the placeholder as well, search products. I'll say here search your products here. Okay, this is it. Let's just give here the class as a form control. So form control, this is it, and I'll just give you the one ID as well, so I can target this div in JavaScript. Okay, so I can just say here search input. Okay, this is it. So through this ID I will be able to target this input field in JavaScript. Okay, so let me just create here one h1 element as well, or let's just create here h. Okay, so I have already given that. Okay, so let's just as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. So here it is. Okay, so here is this string search products by its name or brand, and here is the search input field. Okay, so whenever you will type something into this input field, you will be able to see this cross sign. Okay, so that's the reason I've used here the type equal to search. Okay, so we can clear this using this icon. Whenever you will type something into the input field, you will be able to see this like a clear icon. Okay, so so that's the reason I have used here the type equal to search. Okay, this is it. So right now I'm going to create here one script element as well, or we can set the tag as well. So let me just create here the, so let me just create here one const. So it's const, I'll just say here products. Okay, so say here products. Okay, equal to, I'll use here, I'll create here array of object. Okay, I'll create here array of object. So before that I will create here one div as well inside this div only with the id only. I'll give the id only as a I can say here the products. Okay, products, and I'll give the class as well. I'll give the class as a row. I'll give the justify contents. Okay, center as well. This is it, and let's just close this div. Okay, so through this id, let's just give you a small p. Okay, so guys, through this id products I will be able to target this div in the JavaScript as well. So that's why I have given here this id as a products. Okay, we can give anything as a id. Okay, so now this is it. So I'm going to create here array of object. This will contain the product. Okay, details. Okay, this will contain the products detail like id, name, price, brand, ratings, and image of the product. Okay, so I'll just say here I'll give the id as a 1, put comma, and I can give the name as a like, okay, we can give here the wireless heads headphones. Okay, we can give here wireless headphones. Okay, and let's just give here the price as well. I can give you a price. Let's just give here this much of price. Okay, put comma, and I'll just say here brand as well. So brand I'll give here as a Sony. Okay, Sony, put comma, and I can say here the ratings. Okay, the ratings also I can give you. I can give you a 4.3. This is it. We can give you anything. Okay, and I can just give you the image as well. So image I'll give you as a path of the image where I have stored the, where I have kept the images. Okay, so we will give you these images like this. So this is the path images of the folder and the image name. Okay, so guys I'm going to, so guys this is the array of object. Okay guys, this is the array of object, array of objects. Okay, it's not object, it's object. okay, and this is going to contain all the details about the particular products. Okay guys, this is going to contain all the details about the particular product. So here I have given here the id, one, name, wireless headphones, okay, price is this, brand is Sony, ratings is 4.4, and this is the image, the folder name, and the image name. Okay, so this is the path of the image. Okay, and guys, now I'm going to, so guys, I have just given this for the example. I hope you know what I'm doing here. So guys, rather than creating the entire product from scratch, it is going to take a lot of time also. Okay, so guys, rather than creating the entire product, okay, from scratch, it is going to take a lot of time also. So I'm going to copy the products from the example only. So let's just come here, and this is the product. Let me just copy this and let me just paste it here. I'll explain you each and everything, and it is also self-explanatory as well. Okay, so this is it. Let's just save the page. Okay, so guys, here is the same thing. This is the first element, this is the second element of this array of object, which is products. Okay, so here is also id, here is also name, here is also price, here is also brand Sony, here is also ratings, okay, here is also image. Okay, and this is the second element. Id is 2, name is this, price is this, brand is this, ratings is this, image is this. So I have given here the live URL of Amazon. Okay, so guys, this is the live URL of Amazon. Okay, I have just given here the live URL of Amazon. Okay, and here is the third element with the ID, name, price, brand, rating, and images. And here is also the fourth element with the ID for name, price, brand, ratings, and images. Again, I have given here the all the links I have given here from the Amazon only. Okay, this is it. And here is the I should not say this name. Okay, it is going to restrict my video, but from now I want to use this name. Okay, so here is the product 5. Here with the id, name, price, brand, ratings, image. Here is the also sixth element of this array of object. Here is the id 6, name, price, brand, rating, image. Here is the seventh element with the id, name, price, brand, ratings, image, and okay, whatnot. Okay, and here is also the eighth element with the id, name, price, brand, ratings, image. Here is the ninth element with the id, name, price, brand. Okay, likewise for the last element, which is 12th, which is 12th element. Okay, and here is also id, name, price, brand, ratings, and image. Okay, so this is the array of object, and it contains the details about a particular product like id, name, price, brand, rating, and image. Okay, this is it. Okay, I hope I've explained you to the great to the depth. Okay, so this is also self-explanatory. It is going to contain the product id, product name, product price, product branding, product ratings, okay, and product image. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to target this div with the id. So copy this id product from here so that we can target this div in the JavaScript. So come down, I'm going to create a const. I can just say here the container, say here container equal to, I'll just use your document dot query selector. So this is the id, so we have to give you a hash. This is it. So now I'll just target, okay, this container. So now I'll just say here I'm going to create here one function. Okay, I'm going to create here one function. So let's just say here const. Okay, I can just say here const, and I can just say here display products. Okay, display products, and equal to, I'll use here the filter function, and I'll give you the one parameter as well. I can just say here data. Okay, this is it. I'll use here the filter function like this. Okay, so this is only the single parameter, so we can skip the parenthesis. Okay, if this parameter is more than one, we have to use here parenthesis. Okay, so guys, just remember what I'm saying here. So this is only one parameter, this is only single parameter, so we can skip, we can omit the parenthesis. If this parameter is more than one, we have to use here the parenthesis. Okay, this is it. Okay, like suppose we have here say here data 2, then we have to use here this parenthesis. Okay, then we have to use here this parenthesis like only. Okay, so as of now we have only one parameter, so I can skip the parenthesis as well. Okay, this is perfectly fine. This is going to show no error, no issue at all. Okay, because here we have got here only one parameter, so this is perfectly fine, this is perfectly cool. Okay, so now I'll just say here, I'll just first of all I'll check, okay, if this data, okay, if this data, if this data dot length, okay, 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 if this okay, is equal to 0. Okay, if there is nothing in the array of object, okay, if there is nothing in the array of object, we will show, okay, we will just say here, copy this container, and I can just say here dot inner html, inner html, and I'll just use here the backtick so that we can show the variable, okay, value as well. Okay, so this is it. So we have to return here nothing, so I can just say here return because we don't get anything, so say here return. And now I'll just say here, so I can just say here create a div, okay, create a div, give the class, not casual, I can just say here class. Okay, so close this div very quickly, open this div now, and inside this div I can just give it the class as a call lg. Okay, call tool I can give here, I can just give here text center. So this is the bootstrap class I'm going to use here, no custom or, okay, my class. Okay, so I can just say here margin top 5. Okay, and I can just create here the img element as well inside this div. So img as rc, I'll just use the class, okay, I'll just use the image link from the previous example. I can just give you the width, say here width we can give here, I can just give here 90. This is it. Let me just go to the example to copy this, okay, image link from there only. So come down very quickly. I'm going to copy this image from here. So this is the image I'm going to use here as a no product found. Okay, so this is it, and I can just create here the h3 h4 element, say here h3, and just to close this h3, and I can just say here class as a text center. This is it. Let's just say here something. I can just say here no product found. Okay, and I can just say here text muted as well. This is the bootstrap class, we all know. Okay, and I can just give here the para element, and I can say to the user that please try a different keyword or something like that. Okay, so I can just say here, okay, I don't need to say here class center, and I can just say here try searching another product, or say here keywords. Okay, not keyword, it's keywords. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now this is it, and we have to say here return. Okay, and now we have to say here return. So as of now, let me just, okay, copy this. So we have to call this function whenever our page is going to be refreshed, whenever our page is going to be reloaded, we have to call this function. So now copy this, and let's just call it here below this, okay, function only. So now they will so it is going to take here one parameter also. This, okay, display product is going to take here one parameter also, which is data. So instead of this data, we will give this product as the data, as the parameter value. We will give here this products. Okay, you can see here this, okay, function display products is going to take here one parameter as the data. So I'll just call this data here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser how it, this is going to behave. Okay, so let's just call this, save this file, okay, and go to the browser and have a look in the browser. So let's just see, refresh this page now. So let's just as of now we won't see anything because nothing is going to happen now. So we will display the product now. So guys, now I'm going to display the product. Okay guys, now I'm going to display the product. So come to the page now, come to the code, and now below this below the if block, okay, something, suppose data dot length is 00, we will this. Okay, and now I'm going to show the product, I'm going to display the product. So copy this container again from here, and now just paste here dot inner html, and now again I'll just use here this data, because we have to look through this data only, dot data, and I can just say here dot, okay, map. I'm going to use here the map method to look through this, okay, to this product, okay, to look through this array of object, which is products, okay, which is products. But here I have given here this function display products, I have given here one parameter also. So this data, okay, this parameter or this data is going to represent this products. Okay, I hope I'm clear. Okay, so guys, this data I have given here as a parameter to this display products function. So this data will represent this products, which is the array of object. Okay, so instead of directly looping through this products, I'm going to use this data, because this data represent this products array of object. Okay, this is cool. Okay, this is very simple, this is very cool. Okay, so now I'll just use here as a product. I'll just use here the filter function again. So I'll just use the filter function, and I'll just use here the backtick, so that I can use the variable, okay, value as well. Okay, so I'm going to create here say here div now, give the class, and close this div now. So I'll give here the class as a, I can give here the class as a call lg. I can give a call lg, say here call lg 4. I can just say here call lg 12 as well, and I can just say here the call md also. I can give a call md also as a 4. Okay, and so let's just remove this. This is going to take the entire, okay, width. Okay, and I can just say here call sm also, say here instead of double, say here 6. Okay, and I can just say here mb 4. Okay, so open this div now, and inside this div I'm going to get here another div. Let's just delete this. Okay, so give your class, and I can just close this div very quickly. So, and I can just give you the class as a card. I can just give you a height also 100%. Okay, and I can just say here shadow. I can give you sm or lg. We can give anything. Give you lg. We can give you sm as well. Okay, shadow, and just open this div now. So now inside this div, I'm going to create the img element first. So img, and I can just say here src. So now I can just give you the class as well. So I can just say here img. Okay, card img top. Okay, card img top, and I will give her the my, okay, custom class as well. So I can just say here product. Okay, product img. This is it. So now I'll just use here dollar open and closing curly braces, because use because you can see here I have used here the backtick. So I can just say here dollar underscore curly braces. So the product image, I'll just use this. Okay, product and dot, I will just use this, okay, image, to show the product image. Okay, so copy this product image from here and just paste it here. This is it. Okay, so as of now, let me just say here, and now I'll just say here. So we have to say here dot join as well, because I have used here the map method. So I'll just use here join with nothing. So let's just close here. Okay, this. Okay, so as of now, guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser. Refresh this page now. So see, boom, guys, we can see here the product image. Okay, we can see here the product image. Okay, you can see here they've got here the product image. Okay, so let me just go to the code now and copy this custom class from here, and now just go to the head section, create a style sheet now, internal style sheet. Okay, so let's just paste it here, and I can just say here for height 200 px. I'll give you object fit cover. We can give you a container as well. I can just say here the, I can just say here border. Okay, border radius, I can see here 5px, and I can just save the file and have a look in the browser. So this looks say here instead of cover, say here container. Okay, contain, save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh this page one more time. So now this looks cool now. Okay, somewhat. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, so let it be only, but I'll do here one thing. So what I can say here, I can just say here margin top 5, margin bottom also 5, save the file, have a look in the browser now, refresh this page. So here we got here gap. Okay, so guys, now we can see here the product image. Now I'll show the everything, the product name, the brand, the product rating, the product price, and a button to add to cart. Okay, so come to the code now very quickly. I have to do all the things. I have to show all the things now. So you know this img, I'll just create here another div. Okay, I'm going to create here another div with this ing only. So create a div now, give the class, and just close this div now. Give the class as a I can just say here product, I can say here card body. So it's card body because I've used the it's card body. And let me just open this div now. So let me just give you some space so that you can see what I'm doing here and where I'm doing the things. Okay, so here I've given here the card body, and inside this div only I'm going to create here the h5 h3 element. Okay, I can just create here the h5 element, and I can just say here the class as well. I can just say here the card title. So card title, close this h5, and I'll use your dollar sign open and closing curly braces. So copy this product. Okay, and to show the name, okay, we'll say here dot. Okay, dot to show the name, use this property, use this key name. Okay, so just come down and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. So come here, refresh this page now. So here we can see here the product name. Okay, so let me just come here. So I have shown here the 4 products in a row. I have shown here the four products in a row. So come here, I'll also show here the 4 products in a row. So instead of call lg4, I'll just say here call lg3, and I can say here call md3 as well. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh this page. Yeah, this looks cool now. Okay, so now I'll show the other things, the product. Okay, brand, product rating, product price, and the button add to cart. Okay, so come to the code now, and now inside this div only I will create here p element, close this p, and I can just give you the class as a text muted. It will look cool. Okay, so let's just say here dollar open and closing curly braces, and copy this product, and just to show the brand. Okay, we will use here this brand key from here. Just come down and just paste it here, save the file, and have a look in the browser. Refresh this page now. So we can see here the brand name, we can see the brand name Sony, Boat, Logitech, okay, Red Dragon. We can see here the Nike, Puma, Skybags, okay, JBL, Digitech, okay, Philips, Samsung, and Xbox. Okay, so now I'll show you the ratings as well. So come down and I'll show the ratings now. So inside this div only I'll show the ratings. Okay, so let me just copy this. Okay, let me just copy this p, and let's just paste it here. Okay, and now to show the ratings I'll just let's just see here, instead of brand I'll just say here this rating, copy this from here rating. Okay, and let's just paste it here. So save the file. Okay, have a look in the browser. So refresh this page now. So here we can see the ratings now. Here is the ratings. So let me just go to the example to copy the star. Okay, to copy the icon from the example only. So let me just come here, copy this star icon from here, and let's just paste it here and save the file, and have a look in the browser one more time. Refresh this page now. So here is the ratings for 4.1, 4.3, 4.5, 4, 4.3, 4.3, and 4.3. Okay, so I have shown here the ratings as well. So now just come to the code now. So now again go to the browser, and now I'll show you the price as well. Okay, so let's just come now, and to show the price, what I'll do here, I'll create here the h6 element. So copy this h5 element from here, just to save a little bit of time only I'm doing this. Okay, so let's just paste it here, and now I'll just create here the h6, and now I just say here the class as a text primary. Okay, primary. Yeah, so to show the price, I'll just copy this key price from here, and let's just paste it here. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see the price. So let me just go to the example to copy this. Okay, rupee icon, and to copy the rupee icon. So let me just go to the example, and so let me just copy this rupee icon from here, and this is the Indian rupee icon. So let's just paste it here, save the file, and have a look in the browser. Now refresh this page. Yep, this will look cool now. So now I'll just create here another property. Okay, I'll just create here another property with the discounted price. Okay, discounted price. Okay, I can just see here discounted price. Okay, so this discounted price, let me just copy this property from here and paste in a pre. Okay, so let's just paste it here. Okay, discounted price, I'll just give here. Okay, 2000 only. Okay, only 2000. Every discounted price will be only 2000. Okay, so this is kind of sale. Okay, we can buy this. Okay, so and I can just say here 500 discounted price. So let's just paste it here. I'll give here also 400 discounted price, and let's just paste it here. I'll give you the 1000 only as a discounted price. Okay, let's just say here I'll also give you the one. Okay, as a discounted price. Let's just paste it here. I'll give you only 500 rupees as a discounted price. Okay, as a discounted price, and I can just give you 2000 only as a discounted price. Okay, and I will just give you 2050 only, 500 only as a discounted price. Okay, and I'll just give you discounted price as a 600. So this is it, and I can just give you a discounted price as a 2000 only. This is it, and the discounted price I'll give you as a 1300 as a discounted price. Okay, so now we have got here another property called discounted price. So we have to show this price as well to the on the product. So let me just copy this, and let me just paste it here. So I can just say here text muted text muted and text stroke. Okay, text stroke. Okay, text stroke. Okay, so copy this property discounted price, and let's just paste it here, and now save the file. Have a look in the browser. Now refresh this page, so we can see here is the discounted price. Okay, so come now and copy this property from here, the class. I can say class, and just say here text. I can just say here text decoration as a text stroke. Okay, save the file, cancel this, save the file, and now go to the browser and refresh this page now. So let me just remove this. Okay, bootstrap class, this. Okay, text muted, save the file, and have a look in the browser. Now refresh this page. Nope. So let me just go to the cancel, control Z, save the file, and now refresh this page. So let me just go to the inspect one more time, and go to the inspect, and let me just inspect what is the issue with this. So okay, so here it is. Let's just give you important. Okay, let's just give you okay, so text decoration. Okay, so say here line through. Okay, so it's not okay text stroke, it is line through. So come here, instead of text stroke, we have to say here line through. Save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh this page. So now we can okay, instead of guys, and instead of here, we have to say here line stroke. Okay, to this. Okay, line stroke. Okay, so come down, cut it out from here, and just paste it here. So this is the, I can just say here the discounted price. Okay, I can just say here discounted price. Save the file, give space, and go to the browser. Refresh this page now. So here is the discounted price. Okay, so here is the discounted price. Okay, we can see here. Now this looks cool. Okay, so now this looks cool. Okay, so I'll just show this button also, add to cart. Okay, I'm going to show the button now, add to cart, on each and every product card. Okay, so come to the code now, and now let me just come here, and I'm going to create here one button as well below this. Okay, h6 element. So let's just create here the button element. So button, and I can just close this button very quickly. So give here the class as well. I can just say here btn dark. Okay, and I can just see here uh, give here width also 100%, and I can just see here add to add to add to cart. Okay, it's not cart, it's cart. Okay, add to cart, save the file, and have a look in the browser. Refresh this page now. So see, we got here one button also, nice and dynamic button, add to cart. Okay, add to cart on each and every product card. You can see here the button now, add to cart. Okay, so this looks cool and this looks dynamic. Okay, so this product page looks now dynamic and really awesome and really cool. Okay, so now guys, we will implement the feature, the searching feature. I'm going to implement now. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to implement now the searching feature, like I showed you in this example. Let's just search here Puma. So this is the brand name Puma. So we can see the brand name also is shown here. We can search the product by name also. I can just say here t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt. You can see here the search string t-shirt, and you can see here is the also search string t-shirt. Okay, so it is going to show this t-shirt now. Okay, so I'm going to do that now in the this product page as well. So come to the code now, and now I'll just grab this. Okay, input field with this id, copy this id from here, and I'm going to do that now. So here below this I will just create here one const. Okay, so create here one const, and I can just give you the search input. Okay, equal to document dot query selector, and this is the id. So we have to give you a hash, paste it, this is it, and now I'll just create here one function. Okay, so copy this search input field. Okay, copy this search input field. I'm going to attach the event. Okay, I'm going to attach the event. So I'll just say here add event. Okay, add event listener, like this. Which event, guys? I'll just give you the input event. Okay, input event, I'm going to give here input event, and it will run here. I'll run here one function as well. This is known as the callback function. Okay, so now just close this, and now I'll just create here inside this. I'll create here one const. So like you just create your const. I can just say here search value equal to, I'll just say here this. Okay, this dot value. Okay, this dot value dot, I'm going to convert this string into the lowercase. So I'll just say here two. I can just say here two lower to lower case. Okay, so let's just I will just show you what it is going to contain. So I can just say here console console dot log, and now just paste it here. So this is it. So now let's just go to the browser and refresh this page one more time. Go to the developer tools. So go to the inspect and go to the console and try to put here anything. I'll just say here Prabhat. Okay, you can see here Prabhat is now going to show here Prabhat. Okay, let's just put here in the uppercase. So I'll just say here Prabhat. Still we can see here in the lowercase. Okay, still we can see here the text or the string or the string in lowercase. So that's why I have given here this dot value to lowercase, so that whatever user will type, whatever user will type, it is going to always convert it into the lower case. Okay, you can see here I have given here the search string in the upper case, but still it is going to convert into the lower case. Okay, you can see here I have given here the search string in the upper case, but it is going to convert into the lower case. Okay, so this is the feature, this is the functionality I'm going to provide using this dot value dot to lower case. Okay, this is it. Now I'll just create here one function. So I can just say here const. Okay, const. I can just say here filter. Okay, filter. So filter products. Okay, filter products equal to, I'll just say here this product. Okay, this product, this copy this products array of object name products from here, and come down, and I can just say here I will just use the filter method to filter the product. Okay, by using its name or by using its brand name. Okay, I'm going to filter the product by its name or by its brand name. So I'll use the filter method. Okay, filter, and I can just say here product. Okay, so this is the callback function, and this is the callback function parameter. So this filter product is going to take here one callback function, and that callback function will take here at least one necessary parameter. So this is the function parameter product. Okay, so I'll just use here the filter function like this. Okay, so I'll just filter the product based on its name or based on its brand name. Okay, so copy this product from here. So product dot name, using the name only, I'll just filter the product. Okay, so product name dot name to lowercase, and I can just say here I'm going to use here the include method from JavaScript only. This is the inbuilt method to check if something is there into the array or not. Using the include method, we can do that. Includes like this, and this is the search value. User has searched through this value only, so copy this search value from here, and now I'll use the or as well. So let me just copy this from here. Let me just copy this from here, and let's just paste it here. So instead of okay name, I'll just give here this brand name. Okay, so guys, this name, okay, this name is this property name. Okay, this property name of the product. Okay, this property name of the product. Likewise this brand name as well. Okay, likewise this brand name as well. Okay, so copy this brand name from here, and instead of name, just say here the brand name. Okay, so this is it. So now let me just copy this function from here. We will call this function. Okay, whenever user will type, whenever user will search. Okay, so we have to call this function, but instead of this product, but instead of this product, but instead of this default product, instead of this default product, what I'll do here, I'll just use this filter products. Okay, I'll just use this filter product. Okay, because user has searched something. Okay, so we will show the filtered product to the user. Okay, because the user has searched something through its name, through its brand name. So we will show the product name based on the product name or based on the brand name. Okay, through which user has searched. Okay, so just save the file and have a look in the browser. Now refresh this page. Okay, and now just say here Puma. So see, boom guys, here we can see here the product name Puma. Okay, so likewise guys, likewise with the product name or brand name, we can also search the product by the price as well. Okay, so let me just copy this. Okay, let me just copy this. So copy this from here, and let's just paste it here. So instead of this, okay, name, I will just say here price. Copy this. Okay, copy this and just paste it here. Save the file and have a look in the browser, and now refresh this page. Say here, okay, so it will not show anything. So let's just say here price, because okay, so price is the, like, what can I say, integer value. So this is not going to the, let's just do here one thing, try to remove this. Okay, and now let's just set the file, and I hope this will work this time, otherwise I will remove this. Okay, so it is not going to do that because, okay, so let's just say here I can just say here number. Can I just say here number? So convert everything into the number. Okay, so let's just save the file and have a look in the browser. Search the product first, Puma. Okay, so no, it is not going to do that anything. So no, nothing. Okay, so let's just search the product by its mm, by its by its let it be, guys. Okay, let's just remove. Okay, let's just search the product by the these two, okay, parameters only, the name and the brand name of the product. Okay, this is it. Just remove this number. I don't want to convert this into the number, so let's just save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh this page. Okay, so search here Puma. So now this is doing great. Let's just search here men's. Okay, so we can see here men's is now here. Let's just search here something. So you can see here no product found. Try searching another product or keyword. Okay, you can see here this is going to be shown. Okay, this is going to be shown. Okay, so if there is zero product, okay, if there is no such product which user has searched, okay, we will show this is blocked. Otherwise we will show the entire product. Okay, and now suppose the user has searched the product by its name or by its brand name, then we will show the filter product. Okay, using this. Okay, then we will show the filter product using this function. You can see here this is the filter product. Okay, based on the product name and based on the product brand name, and this is the filter product we will show. Okay, so this is doing great. So let's just search here. Okay, let's just search here water. Okay, let's just search here water. There is no water. Okay, if we will add the string water, if we will add the string water to some product, let's just add water here. Okay, let's just add water here to smartphone tripod stand. Okay, I have added the water string here to the smartphone tripod stand. Okay, now save the file and now try to search the string water. We will see this product. Okay, let's just search here water. So now we can see here smartphone tripod stand, because this product name contain the such string water, so that's why we can see here the water. Okay, so let's just search here mobile. So there is no product with this such string mobile, so we can see here no product found. Try searching another product or keyword. So let's just come here and I will just okay, I can just add here the keyword as a mobile also. So now, okay, so now this product smartwatch mobile will be shown. Okay, now this product smartwatch mobile will be shown with the such string mobile. Okay, with this search string mobile it will be shown now. So come here and now refresh this page and search here mobile now. So now we can see here with this search string mobile, this smartwatch mobile is now shown. Okay, so this is doing great, this is doing fantastic. There is no issue, there is no problem at all. Okay, so let's just search here, close this. Let's just search here watch. Okay, so with this search string watch, you can see here smartwatch mobile is now shown. Okay, we can search here with the brand name as well, both. Okay, so here is the boat. Okay, with the search string here is the boat. Okay, smartwatch boat. Okay, let's just search here the Sony. We can see here this is the brand name is Sony. So here is also Sony brand name I have searched. So okay, so let me just close this. Okay, so guys, this is doing great, this is doing fantastic, and we have just created here a nice, cool, and state of the art, okay, dynamic product page by using just vanilla JavaScript, and we have just added the search feature also, search functionality as well, with the brand name or with the product name as well. We can search the product, we can search anything. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you learned something cool, something great, something dynamic from this video, from this session, and I hope you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. And if guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this tutorial, you can guys ask me in the comment section below, and I will guys definitely give you the best possible answer, best possible solution to your queries, to your problems as well. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic through this video, through this session. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER. Okay, so please guys do subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.